So today we're going to be rereading Billy the Bug's New Jug. We're going to be working on the rhyme ugh. In kindergarten, we have to be able to know what an onset and a rhyme is. The onset, if you remember correctly, is the letter that becomes before the rhyme. The rhyme is the last part of it. So, for example, in bug, B would be the onset and ugh would be the rhyme, just because you can replace the B with any letter and create a rhyming word. So, before we start, can you show me where the front of the book is? And can you show me where the back of the book is? And the spine of the book. So this book is written by Wendy Lewison and illustrated by Maxie Cambliss. So as we read this book, I'm going to have words that are covered and only the onset is shown, so you can practice chiming in on the rhyming words. And at the end, we'll have a quick follow-up activity just to make sure you guys fully understand what is going on. So before we start, does anyone remember what this book is about?
It's about a bug finding something in a jug.
Good. Yeah, so this book is about Billy the Bug and Sally the Slug finding a surprise in the blue jug. So that's exactly what it's about. And then another quick question for you guys is, do you guys like bugs? Do you not like bugs? And why don't you like bugs?
I like bugs. I think they're fun to dig out of the dirt and get all dirty with.
Good. Very cool. So going back to onset and rhymes, you can have there's a lot of different rhyming sounds. Like big is a onset and a rhyme. The IG would be rhyme, and the B would be the onset. So you can make a bunch of different rhyming words. So let's start this book. Billy the Bug's New Jug. Oh, as I read, don't forget to chime in on the rhyming words. Billy the Bug lived in a rug. Billy the Bug was a very snug bug. Under his rug were things that he dug. He had all that he needed except for a
jug.
Good job! He looked and looked till he found a fine jug. Now he just had to lug it back to his rug. So Billy the Bug gave the jug a big tug, but the jug was too heavy for one bug to lug. Then Sally the Slug crawled out of her mug and asked, "Can I help you lug that jug?" "Well, that would be splendid," said Billy the Bug. So Sally the Slug and Billy the Bug both gave that jug a big, big tug, but the jug was too heavy for the two pals to
lug.
Then Sally the Slug saw a plug in the jug, and then decided to give it a tremendous
tug.
Water came gushing, glug, glug, glug. And out of the jug popped a blue water bug. "Boy, it was lonely inside of that jug, with no one to hug," said the little blue bug. "Would you like to come over and visit my rug?" said Billy, asked of the little blue bug. "Oh, yes," he replied, and it sounded very snug. So the three gave the jug a big, big, big tug. Good job. And were able to lug it right back to the rug, where they glugged grape soda from Billy's new jug and sipped hot cocoa from the bright yellow mug. And they did the hokey pokey and the jitterbug and gave the little blue bug a humongous
Hug.
Hug. The end. So now what we're going to do is we're going to do a quick follow-up activity. I have split you into groups, and you're going to look at the picture. In each picture, you're going to then write what the picture is. So for example, if the picture is a Billy the Bug, you would write bug in the column. Once you write bug, you're going to circle the onset. So for example, the onset of bug would be the B, and you'll underline the rhyme. The rhyme is the part of the word that stays the same and doesn't change. Then once we do that, we're going to create two rhyming words. So if we have bug, we could replace the B and use an onset of H and create hug, or switch the B with an R and create rug. And that's what we're going to do for a few of the words. And then once we're done, we'll come back together and we'll make sure that we all understand it.